y'all, this is Monica. I am the Natural Hair Eclectic, and thank you for tuning in this evening. Today I'm going to do a review with assembly instructions for the Willie Morrow's Unbreakable Thermo Blow Dry Nozzle. So as you can see, this is what the package looks like, and the back gives you instructions on how to assemble, but I will go ahead and walk you through it as well. So here we go. Now, first, just kind of want to show you what the comb looks like. It actually is two pieces that snap together. There is a little groove on the bottom where there's a metal zip tie type um, thing there that helps you to loosen and tighten it. And it has a little screw. You can just get you a flathead screwdriver. If you don't have that, you can use a butter knife, and that's how you loosen it up there. And this just want to show you that the combs, the teeth are really unbreakable. They're really sturdy and they shouldn't cause you problems when you are blow drying your hair, straightening, etc. So let's get to seeing exactly how we assemble this, get it on our dryer, and then I'll do the review later. So first it comes with these adjustable size rings, and these are small, medium, large, depending on the size of your blow dryer nozzle that will fit on the end of your dryer, and then the comb is going to go over that. So let's go ahead and go through that and see how that goes. So as you can see here, the first thing we're going to need to do is to loosen up that ring and take that off so that we can take the comb apart and just have that ready, right? Here's the blow dryer. You see it has a wider nozzle. I have the largest size ring here, and we're just going to fit that onto the end of the nozzle and make it flush with the end of the blow dryer. So you can see here, just slide that on. It's really simple. Now you're going to want to take your comb. Remember that it does come in two pieces. So once you get it in the proper place on your blow dryer, you just put one on the bottom. You're going to put the other on top, and you'll see it has like a little groove that they're going to snap together, and you'll hear it make a little click. You see that it has that little indentation where the clip goes. So we, of course, have to make sure that we take that apart. Just remember lefty loosey, righty tighty. And if you don't have a flathead screwdriver, you can just use a butter knife like I did just to unscrew that. And, it does come apart there. It comes out of that little groove. As you can see here, you can fit that little metal piece into the groove on the comb, like so. And it just fits right in there. And that's what's going to help to keep it secure. It's kind of like a metal zip tie. So you can see you have that little opening right there. And you can just slide one side into the other, and then you're just gonna tighten it up. Now for me, I just use my fingers to tighten it as much as I can to make it a little bit easier. And then when you get it the rest of the way, you can go ahead and use your screwdriver, your flathead screwdriver, or your butter knife to go ahead and tighten it up. And that's pretty much it. That's how you assemble it. And it will be good to go. It will be secure on your blow dryer. You shouldn't have any issues or problems with it. Do make sure you see how I have it. You want the comb to be perpendicular to the handle on the dryer. So you do just want to make sure that you have that on there correctly. Because of course when you're blow drying your hair, if it's on there sideways, it'll be a little awkward trying to use it. So now we'll get into the review portion. So I've actually had this comb, this blow dryer attachment for a while, and I love it when I am straightening or flat ironing my